हेलो एवरीवन। बहुत सारे लोगों को रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन टफ लगता है, लेकिन वो उतना नहीं है। रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन में भी इजी क्वेश्चंस है जो हम 1 या 2 मिनट में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। एंड आई वांट यू टू प्लग द लो हैंगिंग फ्रूट्स इन सीसैट पेपर्स। मतलब रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन हो, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग हो या क्वांट हो, सो सॉल्व द easiest questions and leave the difficult questions in all of them. Don't rely only on mathematics or reasoning or RC. So here we will see a comprehension question. अब ये पैसेज है, इसको पढ़ना कैसे है? तो तेज से नहीं पढ़ना है, धीरे धीरे पढ़ो। मेंटेनिंग एन इकोसिस्टम ऐसे नहीं पढ़ना होता है। Maintaining an ecosystem just to conserve biodiversity will affect its commercial potential as well as livelihood. Maintaining an ecosystem just to conserve biodiversity will affect its commercial potential as well as livelihoods dependent on the ecosystem. There is also a conflict between using an ecosystem only for livelihoods, for commercial exploitation, or strictly for conservations. Deforestation caused due to commercial exploitation will lead to indirect harms like floods, siltation problems, microclimatic instability, apart from adversely affecting livelihoods dependent on forests. These conflicts are particularly acute in developing countries where the dependence of people on ecosystem is significant and the commercial exploitation has the potential to boost national income. So friends, simply the passage says okay, we have to strike a balance between using the ecosystem solely for conservation or for livelihood or for commercial. We will see the questions. Which of the following best reflects the critical message conveyed by the author? So here, just try to eliminate the impractical statements. Conservation of biodiversity is not an issue to be worried. ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता. Cut it down. Then, commercial exploitation of forests goes against fundamental rights of the people dependent on forests. So it goes against livelihood, लेकिन fundamental rights तो नहीं दिया हुआ है. So legal perspective है ही नहीं passage में. And then, sustenance of livelihoods and degradation of ecosystem while being together exacerbate one another. Yes, the passage says that doing everything just causes acute problems. Acute matlab problems को बढ़ा रहा है and leading to conflicts and imbalances. Yes, there are so many conflicts. So this might be the answer. We will see. Then commercial exploitation of ecosystem should be completely stopped. ये तो extreme है, cut it down. So easily you got the answer.